Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Premiere Pro for film grain and Stylized looks easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import your video clips into the project panel. Drag your clip onto the timeline. Select the video clip in the timeline. Go to the Effect Controls panel. Scroll down to the Lumetri Colors section. To add film grain, go to the Effects panel. Search for film grain and drag it onto your clip. In the Effect Controls, locate the film grain effect. Adjust the grain amount slider to your desired intensity. Experiment with the size and roughness sliders for a customized look. To achieve a stylized look, explore the Creative tab in the Lumetri Color panel. Select a look from the drop-down menu for different color grading options. You can also adjust the intensity slider to refine the strength of the look. For additional contrast, navigate to the Basic Corrections section. Adjust the contrast, highlights, and shadow sliders accordingly. To enhance colors, increase the saturation slider for a richer palette. Preview your adjustments live in the program monitor. Once satisfied with your settings, export your final video. Remember to save your project regularly to avoid losing any progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.